Welcome to the Meredith Show. This is a treat. My guest today and I met in Israel, one of the most unexpected places to form a friendship with somebody who's from my hometown. But what's really special about May Cohen is she is a former lieutenant from the Israeli Defense Forces. She is a mother, entrepreneur, and wife. And now I can say proud friend. Hello.
Hi.
So thrilled to be here with you in your business, which happens to be a 10,000 foot showroom. Tell us where we're sitting and how this dream began.
So we are located in Northridge, California. We are in a 10,000 square feet showroom and a design center. We're 2 stories with a beautiful factory right behind us. We manufacture our own cabinetry. And we're able to help all clients, designers, homeowners, developers, and contractors. Our vision is a one-stop shop when client can come to our business and be able to fulfill all his construction needs. We have designers on premises that are able to help you with pick colors, materials, and our factories right behind can help you design your beautiful kitchen.
I love that. And I also love your story of how you came here because it started a long time ago and you were actually born in Israel. So you served in the Israeli Defense Forces, and as a lieutenant, you had a pretty cool job. Could you tell us a little bit about it? We can't talk too much about it.
Yes, I was the head of an operation room and I started my military when I was 18. In Israel, it's mandatory. So I kind of decided at a young age that I'm going to do something with my 2 years. Women usually serve for 2 years. I'm going to do something that is going to be inspirational and important. I wanted to give back to my beautiful and small country. So
thank you for your service.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
And I basically served an additional year.
Amazing.
Yes, and I've learned a lot. I think what shaped me to what I am right now.
What are the biggest things that you do learn being in the Army as a woman, especially in Israel, where it's not always an easy day at work, right? There are a lot of challenges.
Correct. I think one of the first things we learn is to be independent and to first, you are the only one who can take care of yourself. There's no mom there to cook for you. There's nobody that does your laundry. That's the start, because our kids, as a mother, it's hard for me to see that my kids would do it.
Wow.
And
it's a big change.
It is a big change. Other things that I've learned, I can say
discipline, I bet, because they
Yes.
push you to, I guess, train in very serious situations and also put you in pressure. To learn how to function under pressure, I imagine.
Correct. You learn how to work under pressure, function under pressure, and work under pressure with your team. It's not just you.
That's a leader, yes.
So in early stages, you learn how to become a leader in your community. You learn how to present yourself. You learn how to make your team work together. How problem solving,
which are all critical skills, if I may say, not just for leadership, but life, right?
Correct.
I would like to honor the fact that you were not planning to move to the United States, though this is your home now. Tell us how that happened.
So basically, I came here for vacation, and after a couple of days, I met my husband. And he kind of convinced me to stay.
Wow.
And
you had a happy life at home in Israel.
I had a great life at home. I love my country, as you know.
Yes. What a beautiful country it is.
Yes. But life brought me through a different path. And as a risk taker, I gave it a chance. Said, I have nothing to lose. I met this amazing man, and I'm going to give it a chance.
And now you have 3 beautiful children?
Yes, I'm a mother of 3 beautiful children.
Yeah, and I would imagine that's a big job too. And I would like to know what your favorite thing about being a mother is. And I aspire to have more kids someday, but 3 is a lot.
Yes. I don't know what is it. I cannot pinpoint it.
Just one thing.
It's just one thing. Yes, it's the loving, it's the caring, it's the giving, is the unconditional love that you give a child without any expectations. The ability to teach them and guide them to be healthy, successful, humble, you know.
Speaking of humble, you are actually in a man's world.
Correct.
And you've had a lot of leadership roles since coming to the United States and many business endeavors. Tell us a little bit about some of the things you did before you got into construction.
Well, I've been in the investments and finance industry for a few years.
And real estate.
And real estate as well. And simultaneously, I also been working in the recovery industry, recovery
from alcohol,
drug and alcohol.
drugs. Wow. How did
Yes.
that career go? You had a company.
Yes, I own my own facility, and I've actually enjoyed doing this type of work because it's very rewarding to see the outcome of your clients, and it was one of the businesses that I really enjoyed doing. I still till this day I'm still getting calls from previous clients.
Wow.
And
What are they called to say?
To say just, they, even though some of them are older than me, they always saw me as a mother figure for them.
Wow.
And like Mother's Day and birthday, I always get texts and calls,
Oh,
and it
that's so
warms my
sweet.
heart because I feel that I accomplished something. I touched someone's life, and that was a big rewarding for me.
Yeah, I think people don't talk about the soul enough. And when somebody is at their worst, which is often when they go to recovery, and then to see them turn it around to their best, it must be so beautiful. It's like a soul connection.
Correct. And one of the biggest challenges starting that adventure was working with a lot of men. And
And when you're the boss.
and when I'm the boss, not just that, a lot of my competition were men.
Wow.
And it was in the beginning, it was very challenging, to be honest. Throughout the years, I took a lot of volunteer roles. I was the chair of all the recovery houses in the San Fernando Valley for a few years. And I've learned how to teach my competitors how to work and how to enjoy their businesses and explore their businesses and network together.
I love that.
Was very achieving for me.
Wow. Super
I think
inspiring.
I was the first woman that has done that.
Wow. To
Yes.
connect with them. I have to say that people at home can see some of the video as we're talking of this beautiful business that you
Thank
have
you.
built. It's unbelievable. And, the Meredith Show travels, right? We always like to go to new locations and see new things. But talk about gorgeous. You have, I've never seen anything like it. More samples and different textures and things that you offer in one place than I've ever seen in my life. So for somebody who's never been in the door before and they're just starting to see the pictures and the videos as we talk about it, tell us what you love about this place and what makes it special here at Source One, the name of your company.
It is a one-stop shop for all your construction needs. The vision behind this establishment or our business was for clients to be able to come to one place and get everything they need. Right now, the way it works is when you pick up, let's say, a countertop, you take that piece of sample and then you go to your cabinetry shop and you try to match a color for that. And then you take those both samples and go to your tile shop and you try to match your flooring. But here you have everything under one roof. Plus, we have our designers, in-house designers that are here to help anyone with their design ideas, with their colors, with their material types.
Oh, wait, and you have 3D models you make? How does this work?
Oh, correct. We have the ability to offer our clients in-house 3D designs and that we can come to your home and we're going to be able to put your measurements into our system and right then and there be able to design your kitchen
And see it.
with your colors,
Wow.
with your appliances. And
I love technology.
right?
It's amazing. How cool is that? So you can really have the vision, even when you can't see it at first, you can make them see it. You can help them see exactly what's possible.
Correct.
I think that's so much fun. And what do you love most about working in construction? I mean, for me, I imagine you're impacting everybody in their favorite place, at home, at work. You can do all of it, yes?
Yes, I mean, what I think the creation, to be able to create something from concept to completion, what makes Source one of the leading companies in the area.
Yeah, and so you specialize, let's talk a little bit real quickly, for people at home who are inspired and might need some help at home. I know you said like during COVID, it was a big switch for you. That was when you really full on had the vision for this place, and you have some partners. It takes a village, right?
Correct.
To launch something this big. Again,
correct.
It is amazingly large and beautiful. And as you walk around, it's almost overwhelming to see so many samples, so many colors, so many textures. And we didn't talk about it, but I believe you said you have flooring and turf.
Yes, so we are able to offer different types of flooring. We have tile flooring, wood flooring, SPC flooring, turf, where some of our products we manufacture our own. We also are able to offer pre-manufactured kitchen cabinetries that are more affordable, plus, of course, our custom cabinetries.
So from the best to some simple designs that are more economical, you really have everything here covered.
Yes.
So much fun. You know what I love about you? I mean, first of all, in life, you never know what's around the corner, right?
Correct.
You don't know if you're going to be in your country for the rest of your life, or maybe fall in love and your love takes you to new places. But what I think is extra inspiring about you, if I may say, May, is that no matter what you're doing, you do it with your heart and you go all the way.
Yes, I agree.
Thank you. And I have to say, if people want to come visit you, we're going to make it very easy. You're located in Northridge, but on the screen right there is all the information for you to contact May Cohen's team here at Source One. And we are so thankful that you came on the show to share not only your stories of courage, but your inspiration, because you do shine. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
If you liked today's episode, we hope that you'll like us on Facebook and stay connected. You can find us under The Meredith Show there, and on Instagram under The Meredith Show. And if you or somebody you know you think will make a great guest, please email us at meredith@themeredithshow.com, and my team will set up an appointment right away.